Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Candy Crush Saga app network connection problem. So if you're facing network connection right now on the Candy Crush app and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually I had the exact same problem myself and this is how I fixed it. So basically at first I closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then I just simply scroll down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here and then you're going to click on storage. As you can see, so just click on storage and in here we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load all of the apps right now. So just wait for this page to load. Then scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top and just click on search here. Search for Candy Crush as you can see and just click on the app. Now you're just going to click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for the app to completely load and then click on the blue button here once again. So now you're just going to wait for the Candy Crush app. As you can see it says waiting now. You're going to wait for it to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, you're just going to go back into the app once again. This actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.